Welcome back to another episode of River Smallmouth Adventures. Thomas and I got to hit the river again yesterday, and the river had dropped about 6 inches, but the water temperature had dropped about 7 or 8 degrees since last week we was on the river, and I think that really affected our fish. They weren't nearly as aggressive yesterday as they was. The Ned rig was on it again. I tried crankbaits, I tried everything. Several different types of plastics, but Ned rig was the only thing we could get any action on. We had a couple of 16s, and I think Thomas had a 17, was the biggest we got in yesterday. Here's the rod and reel combination that I use. Like I said, I use the Runkle reel, and I love it. It's super sensitive. The braid I use, it's a 20-pound Runkle braid. I think it's power braid, what it's called. This is what I call a camo braid. You can see all the different colors in it. It in super clear water. I love this line. And the rod is a 7-foot. How well you can see. It's a Kistler rod, 7-foot. Medium light, fast. It's got a fast tip, 6 to 10 pound, and 1/16 to 3/8 ounce. This is a Mag 2 rod, and I love this rod. It is super sensitive, and super comfortable to hold and fish all day. You can tell how much I use it as to how dirty the handle is. So enjoy the video. And yeah, last spring we floated down through and caught several good fish.
Yeah, I was catching off these rocks.
Yeah. I caught them right down here under these trees on the Ned rig. I remember caught 3 or 4 good ones. There we are. Finally. Feels like pretty decent fish. Oh yeah, I'll take that for number 1 of the day. Boy, he's strong.
Oh, one in on me there.
Hey, about 14. Pretty color. Fat. Get her and heel up now. Anything else?
Nothing.
I had 4 or 5 hits right above that, where that little creek comes in.
Yeah.
I just either bluegill or red eye, but
On the Ned rig?
yeah. I threw the crankbait in there a time or 2 and they wouldn't even look at it.
Usually this whole produces something.
Yeah.
Ned rig. I haven't got a pack.
All right, pretty fish.
Fat though.
Pretty, yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful fish.
Feeding up a little bit anyway.
Yeah.
Ned rig.
Yep.
I got 4 or 5 little bluegill bites. That's all I've got.
Real subtle. Real
Yeah, I
subtle.
know, they're just barely even picking it up.
Yeah. I thought it was hung at first.
finally. That was good. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. $16. Pretty color. Fat as it can be. Caught one,
Saw you catch it.
16. Come on.
How big?
16.
Nice.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed watching the video and enjoy some of the mountain sceneries, the river I live on and fish on, and some of the smallmouth we catch. Keep watching, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I get a new video up and running. And don't forget the big giveaway we've got going on. When I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to have a lot of stuff to give away. So you can check out the video on the giveaway, and it'll let you know how you could get entered in it. We're gaining people fast, and I really appreciate every one of you that subscribe. So till next time, see you on the water, and God bless.